Just a quick video here showing the full functions of your steering wheel controls. So depending if you have a CAN bus light module in your system or not. So basically in the harness, if you had a small little like square box or rectangle box, it'll be orange or red or black in color. That means you're on the CAN bus system. If you don't, it means you're just straight on like a wire feed. So you go into here if you don't have the CAN bus system to do steering wheel controls. If you do have the CAN bus system, you just need to go into like settings, car settings, factory settings, 126, key, CAN bus key study. So the same screen, just obviously different area. So what we're looking at here is like, so on this car here, there's obviously a few buttons going on. So potentially we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 buttons, and you can do short and long press. So you got up to like 22 options here. So if you can see on here, I've got this one to open up an app, which is a CarPlay app. I've got this doing the back button, and then if you long press it, I have it going to the home screen, and your rest are like volume up, volume down, obviously the microphone. So, oh, sorry, that cut out because obviously the microphone brings up the Hey Siri when the CarPlay is up. So if we go back to the home screen, the head unit, and we go into it here, this is what you can like see. And I'm normally going to have a blank screen, and like as soon as you push a button, so for example I'm going to push the back button here, it's already learned, and you can see there's like a short click is back and a long click is home. So you can relearn it. If I press it twice, you can see the short click I've chose back and the long click's home. So you can choose any of these options in here. You can scroll down, and the app one's the one that like allows you to open up a certain app. So you can use that to open up like SpeedPlay or Z-Link, and that's your like a CarPlay or your Android Auto. Then obviously like your long click over here, the same thing, you can choose the different things it can do. So that is like a fairly easy way to allow you to learn steering wheel controls, and gives you up to 22 functions from these buttons. Or if you have like sort of less, you can have a few less.